Morning, student. Uh, First question: solve 3x minus 22 greater equal to 5 in R. Condition is present, x belongs to R. So first of all, solve this equation 3x. Now this negative term written in opposite side. So greater than equal to 5 plus 22. Therefore 3x greater than equal to 22 plus 5, that means 27. Now divide by this term. So x greater than equal to 27 divided by 3. So therefore x greater than equal to 9. Now here condition is present, x belongs to R. So answer is written in interval form. Here x greater than equal to 9 is present. So our final answer written close interval, arrow is going from the right side, right? Greater than equal to form is present, that means arrow is going here minus infinitive form and here infinitive form. Now here 9, position of 9 is present here. Now arrow is going from right side, so our interval here using by close interval and infinitive form always present in open interval form. So final answer close interval 9 to open interval infinitive. So again here equation is present, solve this equation and find out the value of x belongs in R form. So first simplify this equation and after return here x belongs to R condition is present, so this value written in close open interval form. Next one. Second question. Solve x plus 2 less than minus 8. And here condition is given when first condition x belongs to n, second condition x belongs to z, and third condition x belongs to R. So again first of all solve this equation, find out the value of x. So therefore x less than minus 8 minus 2, x less than minus 8 minus 2, that means minus 10. Now arrow is going from the left side and here our first condition x belongs to n, but here minus 10 is present, x belongs to n, that means this value present in natural number, but arrow is going from left side, so no any value is present, so our answer is null set. Second condition x belongs to z. Now here minus infinitive and infinitive form is present, minus 10 position is present here. Here strictly less than is present, arrow is going from left side, so our interval is open interval minus infinitive to minus 10. And in third case x belongs to R. So here in case of x belongs to R, we can written in interval form. So here we can written minus infinitive to minus 10. Open interval minus infinitive minus 10. Clear? Okay. Now next question. Solve the following inequality in graphically. So again using by graph, we solve the equation and after drawing graphically. So question number 3, y plus 8 greater than equal to 2x. Solve this equation and after representing graphically. So first of all, here greater than equality is present. So greater than equality in place of written equal to. So y plus 8 is equal to 2x. Now 8 written in opposite side and change the sign because here plus sign is present, written in opposite side. So written here minus sign. So y is equal to 2x minus 8 x y. Here x in place of written 4. 4 to the 8, 8 minus 8, that means 0. Here x in place of written suppose 5. So 5 to the 10. 10 minus 8, that means 2. So here we get the point 4 0 and 5 2. Now this point represent in graph and after draw shaded part. Now here written x axis, here written y axis. Now in the right side 0 1 2 3 4 5, here written minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. So in this x axis, this right side written positive number and in left side written negative number. In between 0 is present. Now here negative number, that means minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Now in upper side written positive number 1 2 3 4 5 and in denominator term negative number we can return. Now here first point, first order pair 4, 0. So in x axis 4 point present here, y coordinate 0, that means this point is present here. And 5, 2. So in x axis here we can consider 5 and in y axis here we can consider 2. Now 5 and 2 intersect here. So join this line. Now here greater than equality is present, so draw dark line. Okay. Now after decide which side drawing shaded portion. So here x and y in place of consider 0. Here we can consider x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0, 0 plus 8 greater than equal to 0. So this condition is satisfied because 8 plus 0, that means 8. 0 is bigger than 8. So this condition is right and here right condition is present. So our shaded part represent in origin side. So our answer is like this way. Next question. Question number 4. Solve the following inequality graphically in two-dimensional plane. Minus 3x plus 2y greater than equal to minus 6. So again here same method apply. First of all, here greater than equality form is present in place of written here equality. So minus 3x plus 2y is equal to minus 6. Now after this negative term written in opposite side. Right? Here negative term is present. Now written in opposite side. So change the sign. Negative term written in opposite side. So here we can written plus sign. So therefore 2y is equal to minus 6 plus 3x. Now here 2 is present in multiplicative relation, so written in opposite sides, so divisible form written. So 3x minus 6 divided by 2. Now after x and y, x in place of written 0, so 0 into minus 6, that means minus 6 divided by 2, minus 3. X in place of written 2, 3 to the 6 minus 6, 0, 0 divided by 2, that means 0. Now using by this order pair representing graphically, so here written x axis and y axis, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, here written 1, 2, here written minus 1, minus 2. Now and here written minus 3, here also we can written minus 3. Now here point is present 0, minus 3. So in y axis minus 3 is present, here x coordinate 0 is present, so this point is present, 2, 0. So in x axis here we can written 2, y coordinate 0, greater than equality form is present, that means here draw dark line. Now after decide which side, draw shaded line. So again here x and y in place of consider 0. Now substitute this value in this equation. So 0 plus 0 greater than equal to minus 6. Now 0 is greater than equal to minus 6. So 0 is bigger than minus 6. So this condition is true. So our shaded portion is like this way, going on origin side. Okay. Now next question. Solve the following system of inequalities graphically. Here condition is present. Two x plus y greater than equal to 6, 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. So now here two equation is present. Now solve both this equation. So first of all 2x plus y is equal to 6. 2x written in opposite side, so therefore y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Here x and y, x in place of consider, suppose here we can consider 1. So 2 1 ja 2, 6 minus 2, that means 4. X in place of consider 3, 6 minus 6, that means 0. Now another point, 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 12. 3x written in opposite side, so 4y is equal to 12 minus 3x. 4 written in denominator, so therefore y is equal to 12 minus 3x divided by 4. So x and here written x in place of written 4, so 4 3 are 12, 12 minus 12, that means 0. X in place of written 0, so 12 minus 0, that means 12, 12 divided by 4 means 3. Now this point represent in graphically. So here x axis, here draw y axis. Now here point is present 1 4, but first of all represent this point. number line. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here written -1, -2, -3, -4. Here written -1, -2, -3, -4. Now x coordinate 1, y coordinate 4. So in x axis written here 1, y coordinate 4. So this point is present here. 3 is 0. So in x axis 3, y coordinate 0. That means this point is present here. Again here greater than equality form is present. So draw a dark line. Okay, now after joining both this line, both this point, now another point 4, 0 and 0, 3. So y coordinate present here. Now join this line. Now here we can return equation 2x plus y greater than equal to 6, and here written equation 3x plus 4y less than equal to 12. Now which side draw shaded portion? So x and y in place of written 0, x 0, y 0. This condition is wrong. So this line draw in opposite side of origin, means this side we can draw shaded portion. Now in case of second equation, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, so 0 plus 0 less than equal to 12. This condition is true. So this line shaded portion is like this. So our common part is like this. Clear? So our common portion of both this line, both this shaded portion is this one. So our answer is this.